Oh, my copal. It's such a hot day and my head is spinning. My stomach is grumbling all the time just from eating and eating. Why do you do this, my stomach? If I had a bit less food, would it have been such a loss? Who knows where I'll find food for this unknown stomach of mine every day. These days were going quite well, but cleverness somehow got into the mix and trouble followed inevitably. Who knows what will happen today? Let me see the north of the jungle. Maybe I will find some geese, chickens or rabbits. Oh my god, what a luck today! Ooh, quite a big rabbit. If I manage to catch it, I will survive for 2 more days.
Hey God, I was sleeping so comfortably. From where did the pudgy fox come rushing in? No, rabbit, don't sleep too much, or else today the fox might just beat me to death. Run, rabbit, run.
Oh, brother rabbit, how about this? Running so hard is making me old or not? Who knows if running a little slower will cause such damage? Unfortunately, I could not catch the rabbit. Oof, as if I was getting more hungry while running. Oof, I have to think about something else. The water has become bitter and I can't do it anymore.
I can't eat anymore. My stomach is full. Let's take a little rest and then I will eat again.
OMG! That far the tiger's uncle is eating deer. Oh, a little cleverness. If possible, today's day will be bright. Hey, the tiger fell asleep. Wow, this is water without looking for clouds. Now let's bring the meat.
How did my sufferings get stolen? Who has so much courage? Stole the food from my mouth? No, I can't accept it. If I catch it, I will eat it.
What happened, Uncle Tiger? Is it too hot for you? Why are you so angry?
Don't say anymore, brother. How hard I was to catch and eat such a large prey. I was taking a little rest as my stomach was full. Understand? What a devil beast has stolen the meat I hunted and escaped.
Oh, you dare so much in this forest to take away the food from your mouth?
Yes, you are right.
No, Uncle Tiger. Don't accept such injustice in any way. Make a rule about this.
You are right. Just once I can catch that Dominic animal and fill my stomach with its flesh. No, I will go. I will bring back a hunt. Then we will see.
Go on, Uncle Tiger. Hunt. I am right behind you. You go through so much trouble to bring a hunt like this, and I will pick up the leftovers from your feet.
Wow, you cheeky little rabbit. Today I will fill my stomach with this. Damn it. This must be shared immediately with everyone. Otherwise, who will take it away again and I will suck my fingers. But no, it must be caught like this. Idea. After pretending to sleep for a while, I am here. The thief's son will definitely be caught.
Mentor, how clever I am today. Uncle Tiger brought a hunt for me and fell asleep. Truly, how much he loves me. For me, Uncle Tiger thinks so much. I didn't know before. Oh my cheeky Uncle Tiger.
That's why I say, Satan Fox, stealing in your job. Oh, I have given you so much knowledge on the road that it seemed like you were dying in my sorrow.
Uri Baba, oh folks, look at your forehead. Who knows where this idea came from in Uncle's head? No more stealing.